everyone on my YouTube channel W.D.T High Performance. Before we get any further, please subscribe to my channel. Please hit like if you like the channel. Please hit like. Please subscribe to my channel. Please click on the bell icon for more notifications. Anyway, today on my channel W.D.T High Performance, I got some more stuff for my Dodge Challenger. And this is nothing for the engine. I'm sorry. But this is stuff for my car, and you're gonna like the idea. So you guys want to see what's inside? Let's take a look. Yes, I already opened this earlier because I was really excited. Sorry about that. I got the, jump start on it. You're like, well, what is this? So I will show you what this is. Hold on. Let's check out the other one first. Of course, you already know. It's the same thing. So, let's see what it looks like when we take it out. What are they? Wait a minute. No way. Can they really be? These headlights are not the same like the 2010 Dodge Challenger headlights. No. They look like a 2015 Dodge Challenger Hellcat headlights. You're right, it is. This is a 2015 Dodge Challenger headlights, Hellcat headlights. The lens caps here and here comes out. You will see me take those off when I will install this. And you're probably wondering, how is this going to work? Very, very, very easy. I will show you. The way I can show you is in this box right here. We'll make this will work for my 2010 Dodge Challenger. This will work for a 2008 Dodge Challenger all the way up to 2014. But you can use the headlights from 2015 Challenger headlights for the kit. So anyway, I will show you and give you the name of it. So, by the way, I will put a link down below where you can get this. So don't worry, I will help you hook you up. So don't worry about it. So let's take a look. Before we move on, let you know you can get this from off of eBay, and it's a company where it's just Chrysler actually sells it. I found it for Chrysler's website too, but I got this from my good buddy TIRADO Racing. Brian helped me out. He has a 2009 Dodge Challenger, and it's a SRT 6.1 Hemi. Very nice. So anyway, he told me I can, with my new front end bumper, I can use a conversion kit to make the 2015 Hellcat headlights work on it. So this is 2008 to 2014 to 2015 Challenger headlights conversion kit, and it's $249. And you got the warranty on it, so you get the 1-year warranty on it. It's not bad. So this kit will help you out here, make it work. Sorry, it might look fuzzy on my phone. I will, like I said, I'll put this down in a link for you all to take a look at. So, let's see what's inside the box. Alright, and this is just a receipt. That's nothing. So, this is what you get inside here in conversion kit. you get adapters for it because it's LED, and plug into your Challenger. Regular lights. This will plug in the back of here, the back of this. Got your ground wires here. So for this, make this work for your late model Challengers. So yeah, this is pretty awesome. I can't wait for you guys to see it, me installing it. So I got to test fit my Vicris bumper, my Dodge Challenger Demon slash Hellcat bumper. So it's for you guys. So anyway, I gotta put it up there, test fit it, and I want you guys all to see that when I'm test fitting. So I will be doing a video installing these headlights first, and you guys will check this out. So with a kit, you get this here, and you get this resistor. This is the resistor, and I guess this goes on for the wires here. I'm not 100% sure. It probably goes on here, and maybe on there too. Oh well, I'll figure it out. So yeah, this is for my 2010 Dodge Challenger. I cannot wait to put this on. It's gonna be awesome. And yes, these do come out, these caps here. I can show you right now. Alright, I'm using the flashlight off of my phone. You see, it just plugs in back there. But you can see, this is a cover, and you can take that off. So I can have the ram air come in to the engine bay. So this is the regular bulbs, not the, I think it's the HID bulbs, but anyways, it has the projectors. I kind of do this hard to do this with one hand. So I got these headlights from carsid.com, and I'll put the link down for you guys to check out. And it already came with the bulbs with it, so that's pretty cool. Sorry, I missed it there. And the other one over here is the same thing. I will show you. See? So you can have dual ram air. And this one came with bulbs too inside. So you don't need me to open it and show you, because if you see it comes there, it's going to come there. So anyway, so again, I'm going to give a shout out to my buddy TIRADO Racing, Brian. To go to his YouTube channel, TIRADO Racing. I'll put a link to his YouTube channel down below. You can go to check his channel out. And weren't for him, I would not know anything about this. So yeah, thank you, bro. Thank you very much, Brian. I appreciate you helping me out. So yeah, go check out his YouTube channel. Please subscribe to his channel, and please hit like on his videos. He has some awesome videos with his Dodge Challenger. You would not be sorry. So definitely check it out. So Brian, thank you, bro. God bless you, brother. And if you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel, W.D.T High Performance, and subscribe to my channel. Please hit the bell icon And please hit like, and please share this video with your friends. And please join us on Facebook. The group is called Wicked Dodge Toys. We'd love to have you. Take care and peace and God bless. Bye.